Guys, we're at Maxey level crossing in Cambridgeshire with AV Trains and Trains Van UK. There we go, the time now is 16:23 on Saturday the 17th of September 2016, and this is for our 16 side delay 16:23 6:32 Juliet Gebra service from Middleton Towers to Upley Sidings. And also our 16:31 11 train service from Liverpool Line Street to Norwich. William 11 East Midlands train service in Liverpool Line Street to Norwich.
William 11 East Midlands trains from Liverpool Line Street. Get them off passing. Right, they both passing on the East Coast or Stansted.
The freight is going on the
Slow.
the cross country route.
Yeah.
The East Midlands train is passing here, the East Coast.
Which side would the freight be coming on?
The other side.
Which side?
The cross country side.
Ah, yeah. Look, this way or that way?
That way.
That way. The thing about these crossings, when they're quiet, you can just walk across the road and stuff.
Yeah, I know.
Whereas where you're at Tallington, busy.
It's like, it's on a busy road, it is.
Yeah.
Whereas this road is actually quiet.
Which is fantastic.
It's like you can cross at any time.
The sirens at this crossing sound really cute.
They're actually alarms. Or you can
Alarms.
call them sirens. This is actually the second crossing here at Maxey. East Coast Main Line.
I'm going to try and do Kids Grove, no, Stone, up on the West Coast Main Line. Do Kids Grove Station and Stone Crossing.
Kids Grove and what about Alsager?
Or might do Alsager Crossing. Because it's right next, they're both right next to the station.
Alsager and Crewe.
Alsager and oh, Alsager Crossing. You got to go at the right times, haven't you? Don't go at the right times.
Kids Grove, Alsager and Crewe.
Oh, sorry, bit of a cold at the back. Kids Grove Station's decent. So you've got the 350 design roads, you've got 323s, you've got 3 independent roads, you've got 220s and 221s on the track.
Okay, we seem to hear something.
Oh, and it's VTEC.
Oh, I got a VTEC coming. 91.5. 8202 to Newcastle, and that was for your 1621 1023 version train servicing Lincoln's Cross to Newcastle. Oh, here comes something else. 15852 to Norwich,
And
and
then we also have the freight.
oh, there's 3 trains in one video. 66068.
66068.
These the end of 66068 to Upsley. And up they go. That's guys, next video.